Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make a repeating diamond shirt. The shirt was prepped like normal and I have it turned inside out. I'm going to begin by centering the shirt. And this process is going to go really fast, but I have a link down below in the description to a video which shows how to center a shirt. Essentially what I'm doing is getting both sides of the front of the shirt next to each other and both sides of the back of the shirt next to each other. That way, whenever I apply the dye to the shirt, since both of the front sides are next to each other, they're going to look more similar, and the same for the back. To make the diamond design on the shirt, I'm going to take and fan fold the shirt, going from the hem of the shirt up to the neck of the shirt. I'm going to put some really large fan folds in the shirt. That's what's going to make the diamond a repeating pattern. Because of the way I've folded the shirt, to make a repeating diamond, I'm going to draw a diagonal line from the very center point of this shirt over to the edge. Normally, if I just folded the shirt in half, drawing a line going this direction would make the design more of an X instead of a diamond. So this shirt is going to have both repeating diamonds and X patterns on the shirt. Now I'm going to fan fold this line and I'm going to tie it with some kite string. I want to hold my folds tight, but I don't want any of the white lines that sinew would give on the shirt. After I finished tying the shirt, I set it aside for a couple of days and I let it dry out completely. I'm going to use a washable marker and draw some guidelines on the shirt where I'd like to apply the dye. I'm using this initial line as a guide and drawing some more lines on close to the same distance apart. I'm not really measuring, I'm just kind of guessing or eyeballing it. I also want to go ahead and extend these lines over to the other side, so I'm going to extend the lines down the side of the shirt so that I can easily tell where they need to go on the back side. Okay, so I have all my colors lined up in the order that I'm going to apply them, and I'm going to begin with Berry from Prochemical and Dye. And of course, the minute I touched them, they all fell down like a row of dominoes. I purchased some new Prochemical colors that I haven't ever used before, and so I just finished making color swatches with the Prochemical dye. These are leftovers from the color swatches, so I'm not really sure what these colors look like, but I'm gonna go ahead and try them on a shirt anyway. The next color I'm using is Azure Blue, followed by Boysenberry. This shirt is really thick, so I want to make sure I get it well saturated. The next color is Sapphire. followed by mulberry, then alpine blue, another section of berry, and the final section is azure blue. Now I'm going to turn the shirt over and repeat the same color pattern on the back side, making sure that I get each section well saturated. Remember, there are a lot of layers of fabric in this shirt. Okay, so when I turn the shirt over, you can see it looks like it's really well saturated. But let's see what it looks like inside. So to begin, I'm rinsing in cold water to rinse out the soda ash. After rinsing in cold really well, I'm going to untie the shirt and rinse it in hot water to rinse out any of the excess dye that didn't bond with the fabric. I continued rinsing until the water ran almost clear. Then I put the shirt along with some Dharma's textile detergent into my washing machine and washed it using a hot water cycle. And after the shirt was washed and dried, this is what it looks like. Okay, so what do you guys think? I really like the shirt. I like the repeating diamond pattern. But like I mentioned earlier, these are colors that I've never used before. They came from Prochemical and Dye, and I had them mixed up to make color swatches. The only color that I'm not quite sure goes as well as it could on this shirt is the berry, which is the darker red color, which is right in the center of the shirt. However, the longer I look at this shirt, the more I actually like that color. I think it really kind of works. It is more of an eye-catching color, but I think it breaks up the pink and blue a little bit. If I were going to make this shirt again, I probably would use a little bit different color there, maybe one kind of like a raspberry color, but overall I really like this shirt. What do you guys think? Drop me a comment down below and let me know. And I'd also appreciate it if you'd like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.